In this video we will show you how you can install KingDian SSD in your system and also tell you about Aliexpress Summer Sale. But before we start, please subscribe to our channel and hit bell notification icon for more reviews. Aliexpress has launched its summer sales that started from June 27th to July 1st. You can get amazing products in amazing discounted price. You must better go and visit their sale. Summer sale link is mentioned in video description. Let's talk about KingDian's 281 TB solid-state drive. It combines value with relatively fast and reliable speeds to ensure users are not left wanting. As far as gaming, the S280 delivered on high frame rate content such as first-person shooters. The S280 also comes with a 3-year warranty, which will help convince users that are not as confident in buying a less expensive hard drive. Into the laptop. Let's talk about its features. KingDian's 280 SSD is very safe and reliable. All incoming materials have been rigorously tested, wide temperature tested before NAND flash patched. The PCB and PCBB semi-finished products are automatically scanned and tested to ensure smooth circuit and no false soldering. It is anti-shock 1500G, controlled operating and storage temperature. Adopt page mapping management mode, which improves performance by more than 8 times compared with the traditional SSD block mapping management mode. Its boot time is only 11 to 13 seconds. And if we talk about its read and write performance, the KingDian S280 clocked in at 511 megabits per second for reading data, and 437 megabits per second for writing data. It is stable and anti-vibration and can withstand standby vibration above 25G and impact above 1500G. KingDian is offering 3-year replacement warranty within 3 years if product is not subject to human damage. We have tested using the Crystal Disk Mark software. In addition, we compare also with other popular brand, which is a very good performance. We also tested on game loading speed and found these results that are pretty well. Hope you like this video. Please check out Aliexpress Summer Sale link in the description and also check out KingDian SSD page where you can get SSD from 16 GB to 2 TB in very reasonable price. Please visit their store and also subscribe to our channel and hit bell notification icon for more product reviews.